So that is one side of the journal, and then we put it on the other way around. So the flap is on the back, and then that is on the other side. Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. OMG, thank you ever so much for your wonderful messages, emails and feedback about the website. It means the world to me, and it brought happy tears to my face when I was looking at them last night. So really means the world to me. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I use one of my first kit. I will do different projects, and this one here is the bubbly butterfly background. And what I did, I made a simple journal that opens like this. So that's the back, and then it carries on. So it's like a concertina fold. So that's the back, and this is the cover, and that is the front. Okay, simply from a 12 by 12 sheet. Okay, so this is the journal that I decorated, and this is the plain journal using one of the paper pads from the works. So that's what it looks like when it's plain. Okay, so guys, keep watching and I'll see you very soon. This is the floral vintage double-sided 230 GSM, so I recommend something quite strong. Jamie bought me these from the works for my birthday, I guess. Was it birthday or Christmas? Either. Thank you, Jamie, for your generosity. So 12 by 12. What we do, guys, we and I'm using my Stampin' Up cut and score. I love this tool, really recommend it. So we, on one side, we score it at 6. And then, which is this score line here. And then you turn it and we score it at 3, 6, and 9. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. So we've got one score line there in the middle. Rotate it. You've got one score line there, one score line there, and one score line there. So what we're going to do, we're going to reinforce this score line here. Now, as you know, guys, I got an issue with my desk because the camera is kind of like clipped, so if this is the right word, on the desk. So if I make some noises, you get this metallic noise, which is very annoying. I really apologize. So what you do is simply fold it like a concertina. So, you know, mante valle fold, or you can do under, top, under. Okay, and then on this score line here, which in fact if I put it this way you can see better. So this score line here in the middle, we just fold it on top just like that. Okay, so you've got one fold like that, and then you've got the 3 score lines on the top. Okay, so and then what you do is you press it down, and then you ended up with something that looks like this. Okay, so I'll show you again. So 3, 6, 9 vertical score line, fold it like that, and then at 6 inches you're folding horizontally like this. Okay, probably see better this way. What you do then with your scissors, we're going to cut on the horizontal score line up to this score line there. So we're going through first rectangle, second rectangle, and third rectangle. Okay, and we stop when we get to the fourth one there. Okay, and then what you see, you fold them back up You fold that on top, and that is your journal. Okay, now you end up with this page here. So what I did, where is my double side tape? I simply put some double side tape okay, so you end up with a journal that opens and closes it just like this. And then the reverse of it, you got this flap here. Then you decide what to do with it. You can leave it, you can cut it, you can glue it down, you could I don't know, maybe even give it a different shape, or you can chop half of it and they become a little pocket. Very, very versatile. Okay, so I'm going to decorate this with some butterflies. Okay, this is the bubbly butterflies background. So let me show you on the catalog. So this is the page with the content. Bubbly butterfly backgrounds, page 6. So it's on page 6 of the catalog. So you've got 5 pages, so 5 beautiful backgrounds full of gorgeous butterflies for £1.85. Right, so let me show you. You've got 5 pages. So when I designed it, I had a few colors in mind because I wanted this to be mixed and matched with the other kits. So I've got a blue page, which will look amazing with the other blue collection. So you got the floral background with another background, and then the blue butterflies. This is more a contrast because I do like the contrast with stripy geometric backgrounds and floral contrast. So I have used more like a earth color. So you've got a bit of sand color, a bit of green, a bit of brownish macaroon sort of maroon sort of color. Not macaroon. Macaroon is what you eat. So no. So I create this contrast, and then this gorgeous blue butterflies, and of course some floral on the corner. And this is probably my favorite page. Again, bigger contrast of small scale floral with a bigger floral and more floral on top, and some more butterflies, of course. And I kept it quite pinkish bluish. This is more burgundy. So again, you've got a floral background, another floral background on top of it, and I just play with different sizes butterflies. I think it's absolutely stunning, in my opinion. And then this one here, again on here, I was just trying to play with different layers. So you have a peaceful, I want to say, a bigger scale background on top, followed by more like a doodling, if you want to call it, detail on top, and then more colorful butterflies. Okay, really like this. Okay, so that is the floral background kit. Okay guys, so I have used my paper and glued them. I just used some double side tape, cut them strips. They are 7 centimeters by 14.5. So let me show you the album, and then I'm gonna the journal, and then I'm gonna open up for you so you can see what it looks like when it's open. So that's the cover, and that is the back. So you got that, and I left it empty because I will do a lot of different things with this journal. Next page, next 2 pages, next 2 pages, I left it empty. And then that's the back, and then it carries on. So it goes on and on. Again, I left this empty. I do like the contrast and how all the pages go well together. And then back to the cover. So if I open it, so that's what it looks like when it's open. As you can, oh, let me move it so you can see it all. So because when I designed these papers, I have used 5 colors, they are complementary to one another. So these 5 pages, they actually blend, mix and match together because I use the same color. So there is blue, there is pink, and there is green, and there is different shades of pink on each page. So if you do projects using these 5 pages, they all blend together. And excuse me. And I love the flap. Absolutely love this flap. I've got an idea as what I'm going to do. So that is one side of the journal, and then we put it on the other way around. So the flap is on the back, and then that is on the other side. And this, as you can see better, when I use every single page of this journal, except from this one, when I kept it plain, I have used all my papers, and as you can see, they blend all well together, like this burgundy with this and so on. Okay, so that is the base of the journal. Tomorrow we're gonna have another video. My upload time has changed, so I will do 4 videos a week, Mondays, Tuesdays, a little surprise on Wednesday, and a Friday freebie on a Friday. Okay, so you now will see and see my face kind of, and hear my voice 4 times a week. All right guys, so this is the beginning of this journal. This is the base construction, and then tomorrow we're going to do some tags, okay, for my new Tuesday tags day. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will put the link of the papers on the info box with my website, so I'll show you where you can buy them. Follow the link, take it direct to the website. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful week, and until next time, stay safe and well.